Ty Money.
Monica, is Ty a nice guy?
He is amazing.
What? Monica?
This is me right here.
Check me on my YouTube, I'm that nigga coming up. I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back, tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop.
Ty Money. What is good, YouTube? Boy riding on the bike, you know, like always. Just came from the barber, needed a cut, you know. So I had to go and get straight. But today, I didn't really have much planned for today. It was my day off, so I was just like, I'm just gonna pick up the camera and record. So here goes another one of those days. But I'm gonna try to keep it as entertaining as possible. So here we go. So we are at Walmart right now, and I don't have a chain. So usually I would try to park it inside of Walmart next to the exit doors, but sometimes some of the ladies won't let me park it in there for some reason. They're like, sir, you just can't park it in here, you gotta go. Hopefully today's one of those days where they let me park the bike inside. So let's go check, see what happens. She's not saying nothing, so oh well, there she goes. Guess I get to park it for free. But yeah, you guys, we're currently in Walmart right now in the fruit section. So many fruits, I don't know which one to choose from. All these different types. Which one should I choose? But I think I'm just gonna go with one of these right here, you know, the seasonal blend. So, and then of course, you gotta get the naked. Gotta get the naked. Ty Money. Yes, it's still here. Thank God. Are you trying to meet up at like 1:30 at the park?
1:30?
Yeah.
Come to the park right now.
All right. Well, let me eat something.
Bro, what you got to eat, bro? I'm hungry, bro.
I'm about to eat.
Bro, I'm trying to eat what you about to eat. No homo.
This boy said he trying to see what I'm about to eat. So let me show him. Yo, this is what I'm about to eat, bro. This.
Let me see.
Fruits.
Fruits?
Yes, bro.
Take that outside, bro.
That guy I was talking to on the phone, that was a former coworker that I used to work with. And one night, I was sleeping. I think it was last week. Last week I was sleeping, and I received a call from him. And he was like, Ty, are you still filming? Do you need a cameraman? Like, I could be your cameraman. So basically what we're gonna do is that we're gonna meet at the park, and I'm gonna interview him. I'm gonna see how serious he really is about being my cameraman. So at 1:30, what time is it right now? So at 1:30, we are gonna meet, and I'm gonna interview him. I'm already late for the interview, boy. I knew it was late. What is that?
It's a chicken patty, bro.
Chicken patty.
Chicken patty. I already ate it all. Chicken patty, right?
So that's why you late, cause of that chicken patty?
At the same time, bro.
Sometimes the focus be taking, like you see how the lights up now? The focus be taking a little minute. But tell them about yourself, bro. Who you is?
Man, what's that channel? The #1 hooper in the nation. Y'all finna see with the jeans and the slides on that I'm elite. This man can't guard me.
You don't think I can guard
He
you?
can't guard me, bro. He can't get past me anyway.
This man already talking trash, bro. He's trying to be my cameraman.
It's kind of like, you know, I'm just chilling right now, you know. Came out with my dog.
This man already talking trash. But he trying to play. But before we play, bro, we're gonna do an interview. Yeah, why you should be my cameraman. That's it, alright. Like he ready. What makes you want to be my cameraman, bro? Let's start with that.
Look, you know, people like me that can shoot and really hoopers have steady hands.
Okay.
And I know how to ride a bike with no hands. I'm talking.
I can do that
I'm
too.
eating a plate of ramen. I'm eating good. I'm watching the YouTube video. You know, when there's a school fight, I always had the perfect angle. Niggas, I used to charge niggas $1 for the fight video. You know what I'm saying? I had the perfect. Somebody had an iPhone. I was like, yo, give me your phone. Give me your phone. I'm recording. Perfect angle.
Perfect angle.
Perfect angles, bro. And you can see the whole fight. Nigga, I'm going over. I'm like, all right, bro. Hold up, bro. Over to get the fight, because you know the crowd. If you get there, if you get there a little late, the crowd, you know, so you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Get that good angle, bro. You get the fight from the bird's eye view. Bro, cameraman reserved for the mornings.
For the mornings?
Mornings.
You know I don't be filming in the mornings though.
Yeah.
I be filming in the
Sunday I'm
afternoons.
usually off.
Okay, Sunday. For sure.
Usually I work at 5 p.m.
5. This boy's in jeans and slides. I'm also in the same thing. But I bought my basketball and he's talking about he's trying to play. So you really trying to play right now?
Yeah.
What are we playing to?
Don't matter, bro.
Since we in slides, like, quick game to 10?
It don't matter, bro. Slides.
Alright,
Jeans
it don't
or
matter.
not, bro. You're still getting whooped. It's like,
Alright, let's go to 10 then. This boy see me hooping one time, bro. And I'm not even gonna cap, I was complete trash that day. And now he think he could just walk all over me.
yo, these guys are different. I know I'm nice. This is about to run out.
Then why don't you put shorts on then?
Nah, but I gotta like.
Cause I don't wanna hear no excuse, bro.
Nah,
That's
bro,
what I'm running from.
If you win, I'm gonna try.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? But if I'm winning, man, bro, you gonna take it? No, bro.
I'm just saying, cause I don't like when people be making excuses when I'm winning, bro. Like
Nah, there's no excuses, bro.
that be the annoying part. Feel me taking some warm-up shots first, so I can see what you got. You feel?
Let me see if this boy really a cameraman. I feel like the camera's not even on me, bro.
Bro, yes it is, bro. Bro, you good, bro.
Fuck!
Oh my god. I'm gonna give you. Alright, I'm gonna give you.
Wendy's working man, bro. That's all I've been doing.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm not missing anything after this.
Why you capping, bro? Look at his face, bro. He's capping, bro.
I'm like LeBron, bro.
Oh my god, yeah, you got eliminated. First round, Jet. First round, bro.
Bruh, his team wasn't there for him, bro.
Yeah, bro.
That's all I'm saying.
I don't give a fuck about. I
And it's
did.
like that every year.
I did want LeBron to win, though. I ain't finna lie. I did want LeBron to win another one.
Yeah, bro. My boy got eliminated. His team wasn't there for him. Just a little disappointed, but that's every year. You feel me? So it's whatever. We can get this game going though.
You
Or
sure?
trying to get some warm-ups too.
Alright. See, look. This is how you vlog. I wish somebody could vlog for me like this. This man taking layup shots.
Just know that I'm a hooper.
If I can find somebody that can vlog for me like this. Hey. Pass me the ball too. Hey. Need me a cameraman. Stable. Hey. But nah, I can't ever find me a cameraman. I'm gonna test this boy out though. See what he got. Hey. Talk about, look at the difference. Boy, we're doing the same thing, boy. We're doing the same thing. Trying to find a good angle so I can whoop this kid.
I'm not even gonna lie, I'm just like, wow, I don't have no balance.
man can't guard me.
Boy, if you don't.
What? Time money. Time money. Boy, if you don't. Time money. Toy money.
This man can't guard me.
Finding myself doing it.
This man can't guard me. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen that? In the jeans. In the jeans, bro. Y'all seen that?
Damn, bro. I got beat. But in my excuse, and yes, we're both wearing slides, but I'm never ever wearing slides again. Hooping. That's that. That is dead. No. I got a few more seconds. Like, you see how it's flashing right there? See that flashing?
Fuck it, bro.
But yeah, this boy really gave me that whooping, bro. That was that. I mean, this is the aftermath. Look at my toes. I just wanted to say he got me pretty good, man. You know, he got a little skill on him. Like I said in my previous videos, I haven't played ball in a little minute, you know. But definitely though, I'll for sure give him his props, you know. That boy got me fair and square. We're both wearing slides. I was wearing shorts, he was wearing jeans. And he got me, man. Not even gonna cap. But next time though, I gotta get me some shoes. I'm never playing slides ever again. It's never gonna happen. You saw how bad my feet got cut, you know. And with shoes, that wouldn't have happened if I had shoes on. So next time, never ever wearing slides. But other than that, I mean, it was a good video. Once I get back in, I mean, I don't know if it's, well, I can't say once I get back, because I don't know if I'm gonna be training like basketball like that, because my time is gone, man, and basketball is over for me. I just do this stuff for fun. YouTube's what I'm trying to focus on now. I'm just trying to get this YouTube channel going, man. You know, like they say, sky's the limit. we're just slowly growing. We're slow up and coming YouTube channel. You know? We just gotta grow step by step. And once we do that, and I can remain consistent for you guys, the sky's the limit, like I said. Shout out to Santana, man. That boy did his thing. It's all good though. Next time we gotta get some shoes on though, for sure. Once I get my shoe, we can play for real, for real. If you guys watched all the way to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know. And I will see you guys in the next vlog.
What can I say? Mamba out.